And the Right Honorable Anita Among is very, very sick. She can't walk, she has swollen feet, she has a clot. She's carrying a clot. So I don't know how much she can live longer without treatment, serious treatment. Sidabanga ko muntu nga azimbye to that extent. But fena tusirike, no, doesn't matter. So, Triple M Mungu akusasire. Right Honorable Anita Among mulwade nnyo seriously. Aina blood clot in magulu, she can no longer walk. It's terrible what I've seen. The legs are all swollen. N'ekisa kyalagawa mu nsi kwegamba eno lukwago bamugiganya lwabutakola nabo, abakoze nabo babanyize. Kino nno kibeere kyakubuulirira eri abantu bangi. Yeah, that is true, Sanyo. Right on. Kisitu, don't call me. I'm still on my life. Kisitu nyamba tonkubira ndi ku live yange. Ndi ku live yange tonkubira tata. Ojja ko live ya. So, Right Honorable Anita Among, this is real breaking news. What's wrong with this man? Of course, manyimu abe ndowozeemu ababisekeramu as if it's a joke. For example, I said Sauda Madada mulwadde, she's sick. But twayogera wano nti Segirinya mulwadde, people took it as a laughing stock, yamala kufa. So you can laugh about it. Of course, obulwadde bwa mpalo. Those who are laughing that obalukwago mulwadde abeere oba Anita Among mulwadde abeere, yeah, diseases will knock in every house. Obulwadde bulinga mugenyi bujja konkona mu buli nyumba. That one you can rest assured. Obukonkonye wa muliraanwa ne wa mulirwana bujja kukonkonawo.
Me, I'm someone without selective listening. Now, what bothers me if I see the wise people like you people, they say, lucky are those who pursue education to the peak. For the future is theirs. But now you people are living this future. For who now? You are for our father's fault for what, really, honorable? You are for our father's fault for that. If you grow up in Nsereko, you do not fight for the same thing. But in Nsereko, you are still fighting for the same thing. Your son will still fight for the same thing. When is this thing getting resolved? I tell Honorable Nsereko, this thing is something which, to me, I see as if it is generational. The same tactics he used when he was coming, and you gave him a squatting space. It is the same tactics that again his son is coming with, and you are crowning the son of being a lion. You are forgetting that the lion is not a vegetarian. It feeds on in meat. What are you going to do for the lion not to eat you? That is the question you must all ask yourself. Whether you are for PPF, whether Simani you are Segona, whether you are Simani nobody ma. You people, even the dialogue which that man is talking about Semogere, all of the tried dialogue, Honorable Nsereko, am I lying? If you sit with the man for dialogue, he would ask you, what do you want? Come, I give you a space. Come, I give you money. That is it. And if we are talking, we are not saying in the Honorable Nsereko, kwate mundu, kwata mainjogendo kasuke. Me, I want unity. I don't want this unit of taking photo with the second mukoti. Every time, Simani, no, that song will end when? I see other Simani time will come. I'm assuring you that the time which you are talking of it, that it is coming. It will come and it might find you when you are facing the same people. What will you you do? You are the same people who were in parliament, Honorable Nsereko. You were gathered and defended with the parliamentary legal protection. You people, you were supposed to use the ground to fight for what is happening. You are now out, Manange. What will happen? If so and so is out, and you will always be picked when you are out. Even now, you are talking with the very, you are in a humble way, it's many owo gambambanange sitomera teba ankwate. When did we reach to this level? Honorable Nsereko, you were Ugandan. Neo no kujawano. Okutegeza buli omu. Banange fena tuli wa Uganda. Fena tuli bana Uganda. Fena tuli. Who are you informing that toli muna Uganda? Ani atamanyi toli muna Uganda, Honorable Nsereko. People stop this, remove this thing. Mwena, if you think being united is taking a photo in court, mbonawe you attended. Remove freedom, remove unity, remove peace from your vocabulary. To me, that is not peace.
Okay, in that event, now propose how do we unite without meeting?
Having the same agenda with the same ideology of removing Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and all his generation out of power. I'm sorry if it will sound so bad to you. That is what is supposed to be done.
Let us go slowly because, of course, amongst the people that are led, there are those that we say are ignited like you. They are already on fire like you, but leadership takes cautious decisions.
But when all the time you people, you were there, you had lost your conscience for all that time. You people, you were in the parliament.
Don't